Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to NeoNest Tech AI. If you're passionate about the latest gadgets, gear, and groundbreaking tech, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into an overview of some of the hottest topics we'll be covering in our upcoming videos. Let's gear up and get started. Imagine a future where technology is not just at your fingertips but before your eyes, seamlessly integrated with your vision. Welcome to the age of the Apple Vision Pro, a revolutionary headset that's about to redefine the boundaries of human and technological interaction. In the heart of this innovation lies the Apple Vision Pro headset. Designed to perfection, it's a blend of comfort, style, and cutting-edge technology. The featherlight design ensures you can wear it for extended periods without discomfort, while the sleek, minimalist aesthetics remain true to Apple's iconic style. One of the standout features of the Apple Vision Pro is its high-resolution display that offers an immersive visual experience like never before. It's the closest you'll get to a personal IMAX screen, right in front of your eyes. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster, navigating a virtual reality game, or simply browsing the web, the Vision Pro promises an unparalleled visual experience. The Vision Pro also boasts of an intuitive gesture control system. Imagine browsing through your photo gallery with a simple swipe in the air, or zooming into an image with a pinch gesture. It's all possible with the Vision Pro, making your interactions with technology more natural and intuitive. But that's not all. The Vision Pro features advanced eye-tracking technology. This allows the headset to understand where you're looking and respond accordingly. From auto-scrolling web pages to intelligent predictive typing, the possibilities with eye tracking are endless. Perhaps the most exciting feature of the Vision Pro is its integration with the wider Apple ecosystem. From syncing with your iPhone to controlling your HomeKit devices, the Vision Pro can act as the central hub of your Apple universe. It's not just a headset, it's your personal assistant, your home controller, and your entertainment system, all rolled into one. This extended scene delves deeper into the Apple Vision Pro, far beyond just recognizing it as a headset. It represents a glimpse into a progressive future, a tangible manifestation of Apple's never-ending quest for innovation. This is not just a device, but a symbol of pioneering technology, a tool with the potential to redefine our interaction with the digital universe. At the heart of the Apple Vision Pro lies more than just a technological marvel. It is the embodiment of Apple's commitment to creating groundbreaking products that reinvent our existence. This headset serves as a testament to Apple's unyielding drive for pioneering technology, designed to transform our engagement with the digital environment. The Apple Vision Pro is not simply a gadget, it is a revelation of the future. It stands as evidence of Apple's perpetual drive for innovation and presents a tool that could revolutionize our interaction with devices. Offering a high-resolution display that promises to deliver a visual experience like never before. What's more, the Apple Vision Pro isn't merely a headset, it's a portal to an immersive technology realm. Its gesture control system, an avant-garde feature, promises to make interactions effortless and intuitive. Further, the Apple Vision Pro serves as an eye-tracking device, a trailblazing technology with the potential to redefine our engagement with digital media. This advanced feature promises to elevate our digital interaction to unprecedented levels, making it more natural, intuitive, and immersive. Furthermore, the Apple Vision Pro operates as a central hub for your Apple universe. Seamlessly integrating with your Apple devices, it enhances user experience by offering a single point of interaction for your entire Apple suite. The Apple Vision Pro is not just about technology for the sake of it. It strives to deliver meaningful and innovative solutions to the challenges we face in our digital interactions. It aims to humanize our interaction with digital media, making our digital experiences feel more akin to natural human interaction. The Apple Vision Pro is about creating a seamless interface between the physical and digital worlds. It endeavors to make navigating and interacting with digital media a breeze. It's about creating a world where digital interactions are as instinctive and intuitive as those in the physical realm. At its core, the Apple Vision Pro is about redefining boundaries. It is not just about creating a product, but about forging a new paradigm for digital media interaction. It's about transforming our perception and engagement with the digital universe. In essence, the Apple Vision Pro challenges our preconceived notions about digital interaction, pushing us to envision a world where digital interactions are as natural and intuitive as physical ones. It's about envisaging a world where technology extends our human capabilities rather than constraining them. The Apple Vision Pro isn't just a piece of technology, it's a glimpse into the future. It's about envisaging a where engagement with digital media is natural, intuitive, and human. It's about conceiving a world where technology serves us instead of the other way around. The Apple Vision Pro exemplifies Apple's dedication to innovation and its vision for the future of digital interaction. It's a testament to Apple's conviction in technology's power to enrich our lives and make us more effective and efficient in our engagement with. Conclusion: the Apple Vision Pro is more than just a headset. It's a vision of the future, a testament to Apple's relentless innovation, and a tool that could change the way we interact with technology. It's about making our interactions with technology more natural and intuitive. It's about blurring the lines between the digital and the physical. And above everything else, it's about pushing the boundaries of the possible. The future is here, and it's called the Apple Vision Pro. The question is, are you ready to see it? PLZ, share it and subscribe to my next video. Thanks for watching.